Today I'm right here at the most popular pizza shop in the area. It opens up at 5 p.m. and if you want to find it, this is the location. Pizza 20 plus. It goes for 20 baht. I've seen this pizza shop on many videos and I decided why not come and try it out for myself and also bring you along for the experience. So you gotta queue up in there. Oh, thank you. This is the queue. This is how long it is. Let's see.
So how did you come here?
I took a bike.
Oh, really?
Yes.
A motorbike taxi or your own bike?
Motorbike taxi. Have you eaten this pizza before?
The first time like you.
Her sister tried it.
Yeah.
Ah.
So you have to order a lot, okay? They get you order one time, okay?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Not just order one piece and then you go, okay?
Okay. Have they started making the pizza?
I think 5 o'clock, so it's just
Oh.
about 5 now. You just found it online?
Yeah.
I think she saw it on the Thai news or something. So,
Yes. I saw it on a YouTube video.
yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, I think I should go check it out.
Looks good.
I'm also impressed that people come so early and queue up for the pizza.
Yeah.
It's really fascinating.
I mean, there are different business models that they could take. Like, the
Yeah.
pizza is so good that they could, have a sit-down place
Yeah.
and charge a lot.
Yeah.
I like that they do it this way. Like working people in Thailand.
Yeah.
Come here. Sometimes it's more fun just to wait in line.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Finally, the man himself has arrived. I'm really excited. Yeah, I hope it doesn't rain because it seems like it's gonna rain. So right now, we're working on the dough, covering it up and putting it in these plastic boxes. These are some of the toppings. These are, I think, pineapple. We also have bacon and vegetables. He is working on the first piece of pizza. Whoever is going to be getting this one is going to be the luckiest.
Oh, you're a hardworking man. You're very strong.
65 years.
Wow.
Wow, amazing. 65 and he's so energetic. He's so blessed to be able to treat all his clients with an amazing product, which is the pizza. The video I saw online, he mentioned that he used to run a steakhouse, but then after COVID, things had to change. So with all his experience in making steak, he came up with this amazing recipe that everyone has fallen in love with. I like the fact that he also adjusted the ingredients to what Thai people really like. So this is a win for him and definitely his customers too. This is the most outstanding menu I've seen.
It's fun.
So this is the first pizza, guys. Topping it up with cheese, some oil, some other ingredients. Now into the oven.
Hawaiian.
It sets the timer. Each pizza has its own alarm. As you can see, it's already set 2 timers. The daughter is organizing all the packaging. It's like a teamwork.
cocktail.
Okay.
Cocktail.
So friends, this is the amazing pizza shop. Right now it's fully in operation. These have been labeled. Number 5, number 4, number 6. The aroma coming from these pizzas is amazing, and the orders are coming in non-stop.
Barbecue ครับ Barbecue
Barbecue.
Barbecue
Oh, barbecue. Got a full operation of pizza. Incredible. This is the most popular pizza come across in Thailand. People wait for over 2 to 3 hours. It's already dark right now, and people who were sitting next to me in the queue haven't yet picked up their orders. This shows you how popular this is. This is really amazing. It's incredible. It's almost 7 p.m. The queue is still as long as you can see. It's a really popular pizza, guys. If you wanna try it, make sure you're here by 4:30 just to queue up. You'll probably be among the first people who get your pizzas.
We not left over for you. We take them all. We eat them all.
You eat them all?
Yeah.
Will you be able to sleep?
We never sleep. We eat all night.
If you can't eat, we can sleep. Four spinach, 3 cheese, 3 seafood. You can order up to 12.
Bacon ham sausage, spinach, cheese, Hawaiian, supreme seafood,
Bacon.
and we have 6 main flavor and the 4
steak and sausage
Oh.
and mala barbecue. That's all.
Before that, I'm here with my brother.
Hello guys, we're here with Williams. My name is Kayiwa Craves. It's been a pleasure being part of this making of the 20 baht popular pizza. We are going to be trying it out right now.
Hi guys, what's up? Hope you're doing well. My name is Williams and I'm a digital content creator. I go by the names @Williams UG. So I'm so super much excited to be at Kayiwa's channel, and you guys, you are doing an amazing job. Subscribing, liking, commenting. Without you guys, we cannot make it. Our mission is to create content, to take you around and to show you many things. So support us by subscribing and hitting the notification bell.
Had it all, so right now we're going to be doing the testing.
Let's do it.
We've waited for over 2.5 hours.
Let's do it. Where should we start from?
The bacon.
So guys, this is the bacon one. Yeah, this is the bacon one. And let's try up.
The best pizza I've eaten in a long time. Now I know why people wait for over 2.5 hours just to get a piece of this. As you can see, the crowd is still waiting. Very soft, very tender, very tasty. Oh my god, it is extremely fresh. I would highly recommend this pizza. Alloy. It's amazing, guys. Share ideas. Tell me what food I should try next and also bring you along.
So how is it?
It's amazing.
Do you think there is a reason as why a lot of people there are still waiting?
Definitely. Freshly made, chef is so skilled. People are waiting for over 2.5 hours just to get a piece of this amazing pizza.
What time did you get here?
I got here at around 5. Right now it's over 7 p.m. in the evening.
Is it worth your time?
It is worth. It is worth.
Wow.
I would highly recommend it.
Guys, if you look at his back on the right hand side, you can see a lot of people seated there.
So William, would you recommend this pizza?
Yeah, I do.
What do you like most about it?
Well, the pizza itself is fresh.
Yeah.
You see that is the oven there. And the guy is super experienced.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very,
I'm
very
told he has been in
no
the
doubt.
business. Actually, he has been working here for 3 years.
Oh, that's amazing.
And the taste, the customer care,
That's amazing.
you know, it's on another level.
No doubt, no doubt. This is a definitely must-try pizza.
Street-made pizza. And let me tell you, no one is complaining. Where's my food? You are not getting what? Everyone is seated, relaxed.
You can only take a maximum of 12 pieces.
50.
150?
Yeah, pan.
Today?
150 pieces.
100.
50 pan.
Oh,
Wow.
this guy
That's
is
a
a
lot.
genius.
อันนี้ทำพิสูจน์กันมาเองใช่ไหมคะใช่ค่ะ
ใช่ครับ
Wow.
เตานี้ก็คือลื้อโต๊ะเนี่ยเลิกสเต็กแล้วก็ลื้อโต๊ะมาทำเตาโอเค
Yeah.
เป็นอะไรเทคนิค
Oh,
สแตนเลส
He made his own by himself?
DIY
Oh my god.
Yeah, yeah.
Guys, he made his own oven.
Super standard.
Made it by himself. And it's to perfection.
So guys, he made everything by himself.
ลูกค้าคิวต่อไปเชิญค่ะ
ถ้าชอบเราก็ไม่เหนื่อยครับเราก็ไม่ทำนะครับ
So as you can see, the queue is still as long as almost it was earlier in the afternoon, rather in the evening. And right now it is 7:34. and the queue is still long. This shows you how amazing this pizza is. I tasted it. It is better than most pizzas I've eaten at pizza chains. For you to believe me, you need to come check out this pizza spot yourself. And besides, there is a reason why people would queue up for this long. That's it for today's video. See you next time. Kapun kap. Kapun kap.
ไปกระบาน
อร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก yeah